What's the number one sign that your HVAC unit needs professional attention?
The number one sign is you're uncomfortable. What does uncomfortable mean? To a lot of people, different things. So it's not just a number. Do I feel like the temperature says what it's supposed to be, but I'm still too hot? Last year, that felt like the right temperature. This year, that doesn't feel okay. That's a subtle thing, but that's actually dealing with the humidity in the air in the summertime. If you're not pulling enough of the moisture, you're going to end up with a uncomfortable house, even though the temperature is what you set it on last year. So if you're not comfortable, number one sign to give us a call.